So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install WhatsApp Messenger to your iPhone 14 Plus, guys. Or could be any other version of Apple device. Not only that, how you can recover your chat from your backup of your Apple account. So let's go to the process. We have to go to the App Store. Hit this one. In App Store, tap at the searching option and type W, and you'll see immediately WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp, hit this one. The second one from here, you see WhatsApp Messenger, hit this one. It's done, so you don't need to open from here. Check at your screen, here should be WhatsApp Messenger. Hit this one. Agree and continue. Now you have to put your phone number. So I put my phone number, my UK phone number. Then you have to hit next button. It will send me some code till I have to wait. It was very fast. This one is tricky, important part. You have to hit OK button. And you say restore chat history. Click this one. It's checking if you have any data. So if your any other Apple device has your chatting data, it will check. You see restoring. From that, restore chat history, hit next button here. I have to put my name here. Hit done button at the corner. Is done, and as you see, all the chatting that I had is appear here. So restore all the chat from your Apple account. So very easy, simple tutorial, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.